Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's special recipe is for Ganesh Chaturthi, that is the Ganesh festival, and it's never complete without making these delicious and classic modaks, that is the Kozhukattai as we call it. So today I'm going to share this lovely recipe and it's going to be so delicious, and we're going to make with this nice coconut and sesame filling. Let's get started and check it out. For the coconut sesame filling, I've taken 2 tablespoons of white sesame seeds. So first we're going to roast these white sesame seeds till they're a nice golden color. Just toast them till you get a nice aroma. So you can see it's come to a nice golden color. I'm going to turn off the stove. Just transfer it and keep it aside. To the same pan, add about 2 teaspoons of ghee. So next I'm going to toast the coconut. This is 2 cups of freshly grated coconut. So I've toasted the coconut for about 5 minutes. So you can see all that excess moisture is evaporated. It's a bit dry now. So to this I'm going to add 1 cup of jaggery. Reduce the flame to a low and start mixing the jaggery along with the coconut. So you can see the jaggery is gradually melting. So this coconut and jaggery filling is a very classic filling for the modaks. Next add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, mix that in. So once the jaggery is completely melted and it's mixed well along with the coconut, add these toasted sesame seeds. So the sesame seeds are optional, but they add a lot of flavor and they add a nice crunch to the filling. So if you don't want to add the sesame seeds, you can do this filling without that as well. So finally finish off with half teaspoon of ghee, mix that in. Turn off the stove and keep this mixture aside. So for this recipe, I've taken 2 cups of ready-made Kozhukattai flour, that is the modak flour that is available in the market. You can use rice flour as well to make this recipe. Next add half teaspoon of salt. Next add 2 teaspoons of gingelly oil. You can use sesame oil if you have that. Just mix that in. So just gradually pour hot water and quickly mix it in. So what this hot water does, it cooks the flour instantly. You wouldn't want to put your hands in to mix this because the water is very hot. So carefully knead the dough. Mix everything well till it's all well combined. So you can just add a teaspoon of oil at intervals just to make sure that the dough is coming together well. Now that the dough is come together, finally I'm just adding a few drops of oil and rubbing it all over the dough. So I have this modak mold here, so just apply a little bit of oil inside. Take a little of the rice flour dough and gently place it into the mold and start pressing on the sides. You can just follow the way I'm doing it. So you can see the dough is nicely stuck to the mold on the sides. Take a little bit of the prepared coconut and sesame filling, place it in the center. Take a little bit of the rice flour dough and seal the top. So once you have sealed the top, gently open the mold. You can see you have this beautifully shaped modak. Prepare all the modaks in this manner. I'm just greasing a steaming tray. Place all the prepared modaks onto the tray. Once the steamer is ready, just place the tray into the steamer and steam the modaks for about 10 minutes on medium flame. So after 10 minutes you can see the modaks have steamed and cooked beautifully. Make sure you follow all the steps to get it perfectly. You can use any filling of your choice to make these modaks. Here are these absolutely delicious modaks that you can make for your Ganesh Puja
or you can just make it whenever you want and serve it.
So you can celebrate this festival with these delicious modaks that we've made from scratch, and make sure you follow all the tips to perfect them. Do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. Wish you all a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.